Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove hackers from your phone. So for this, first of all, you need to change the passwords of your all social media platforms. Once the passwords are changed, then you need to go to settings and there search for reset. So first of all, you need to reset your phone. So here we have the search bar, search for reset. As you search for reset, you will find the two options. Okay, so here we have a reset phone option. Click on it. And now again click on reset phone. Now click on erase all data, or you can go with reset Wi-Fi settings or reset app preferences. So once everything is deleted, now you turn on the phone and open the Play Store app and here search for any antivirus app and install it. So in this way you can remove hackers from your phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.